my channel. Today in this video we are going to make a beautiful brooch, and I'm going to use yarn of two colors. You can use your leftover yarn for this project too. A safety pin, a pair of scissors. I'm going to use a hook of 2.5 mm and few beads for this project. We have to begin with yarn of color A, and this is slip knot. This is acrylic 4-ply yarn. Chain 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now skip a chain into the next stitch. Single crochet 1, into the same stitch single crochet 2, into the next stitch single crochet 1, single crochet 2, into the next stitch single crochet 1, single crochet 2. Follow the same pattern and complete the row. We will meet again when the row would be completed. When the row is complete, we have to do chain 1, 2, 3, flip the work. On the top of the first stitch, double crochet 1, into the same stitch, double crochet 2. On the top of the next stitch, double crochet 1, into the same stitch, double crochet 2. On the top of the next stitch, double crochet 1, into the same stitch, double crochet 2. Follow the same pattern and complete the row. We will meet again when the row would be completed. When this row is complete, we have to cut the yarn from here. Now we have to turn it to a beautiful rose flower. Now with the help of needle and thread, we are going to sew this flower. Now we are going to begin making leaves. So we have to begin with slip knot. Chain 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Skip the first chain into the next one. Single crochet. Yarn over into the next stitch. Half double crochet. Double crochet 1 into the next stitch, double crochet 1, yarn over into the next stitch, a double crochet, into the next stitch, a half double crochet, and into the last stitch, single crochet 1, into the same stitch, single crochet 2, single crochet 3. Yarn over on the top of the next stitch, a half double crochet, on the top of the next stitch, a double crochet on the top of the next stitch, double crochet on the top of the next stitch, on the top of the next stitch, a half double crochet, and on the top of the next stitch, a single crochet. Join these stitches on the top with slip stitch. Now we have to cut the yarn from here, and we have to make one more leaf for the flower following the same pattern. When this flower and two leaves are ready, we are going to make a circle, and for the circle we have to switch to yarn of color B, and we have to begin with slip knot. Chain 1, 2, 3. We have to go back to the first stitch and join the stitches with slip stitch. Chain 1, 2, 3, which counts as a double crochet. Insert the hook into the ring, double crochet 2, 3, 4, 5. We have to do 12 double crochet into the ring. Follow the same pattern and complete the round. We will meet again when the round would be completed. When the round is complete, we have to join the stitches into the third chain of the first stitch with slip stitch. Now chain 1, into the last stitch insert the hook in, pull through 2. Into the next stitch insert the hook in, pull through 2. Into the next stitch insert the hook in, pull through 2. Into the next stitch insert the hook in, pull through 2. Follow the same pattern and complete the round. We will meet again when the round would be completed. When we completed sewing all these parts, we added few beads for our brooch. Now we are going to take this safety pin and slip stitch. On this side we are going to do single crochet for our brooch. So single crochet 1, again single crochet, so complete doing single crochet row, and we will meet again when we completed doing single crochet on the top of this safety pin. When we completed the row of single crochet on the top of the safety pin, we are going to sew it on the back of this brooch in this way. So complete sewing this safety pin on the back of this brooch, and we will meet again when this brooch would be completed. This brooch is going to look like this when it will be completed. You can make the brooch in the same colors or the colors of your choice. This can be a very good gifting option too. Thank you so much.